Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you my new portable charcoal grill. So here's the listing on Amazon. I'm going to go show you how it is. So it comes in this box right over here. So I'm going to open it up, take everything out, and put it together. So once opened up, we got the storage bag, we got two grates, got another piece of metal here. These open up. It's got this tray here. Got some hardware. Then lift this out. And here's the legs for assembly and the other parts. Here's the manual. So I'm going to follow this manual and put it together and show you how it looks. So these are the legs. You take 4 of those. Take these caps. These caps just slide on the top over here. Then you take this bar. It's going to go in the middle between these two. Then you're going to stick it into each of those corners. So once we got all 4 legs in, make sure this bar is lined up with this bar. If not, you got to flip the leg over and do it again. Now we could take these knobs, put it into right here, and just tighten each leg in place. So once we have it standing up, you just take this bar, lay it right, this tray, lay it right on those bars. Then we take this handle piece, so we take this, slide it onto here, and then we just slide it in over here and clip it into place. Repeat the handle again for this side. Once again, this part has to slide in. Then this part, you just do it just like that. Now we take this part, put it back in. Now we're almost done. So just keep following those instructions. So now you have those metal racks. These right here. Just like that. Got those racks in place. Over here we got a solid tray. If you want to use for like vegetables or stuff like that, you don't want it to fall through. So that's my review. It's got like clippers also on the barbecue grill. This is a portable charcoal grill. Here's the storage bag. So if you want to travel with this, you just got to pop those legs out, just by unscrewing this and putting it back the same way you assembled it. So it's easy to use. You just lift this, drop your charcoal in there, light it up. And it's great for taking to a park. It doesn't take up too much space, and it's got a nice carry bag. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer. Thank you. Have a great day.